Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Start with football, as the Caribbean Football Union is set to lose its role of qualifying teams to the Gold Cup with the start of the inaugural CONCACAF League of Nations tournament in September 2018. But as Simon Preston reports, CONCACAF's Caribbean Director of Football, Jamaica's Horace Reid, believes the new competition will benefit Caribbean teams.
With 41 teams, including 30 from the Caribbean Football Union, to be divided into 3 tiers, CONCACAF Caribbean Football Director Horace Reid says this new tournament will be key for the growth of CFU teams. This, as the highly anticipated CONCACAF League of Nations tournament gets going in 10 months' time.
The current status of our football, or status quo, so to speak, is one where most of the teams across the Caribbean are trying to use the FIFA dates to play friendly games outside of the World Cup qualification. And in terms of World Cup qualification, most of them are knocked out pretty early. Some countries only play 2-3 games over a 4-year cycle in terms of the qualification. So the League of Nations provides an opportunity for a lot more meaningful games to these countries.
Since the inception of the CONCACAF Gold Cup in 1991, the Caribbean Cup has been used as a qualifier for CFU teams. So, with the introduction of the CONCACAF League of Nations, what does that mean for the future of the Caribbean Cup?
Caribbean Cup is a product for the CFU, and the CFU at some point will decide if they want to continue this competition, and if they do, how they want to move forward with it. So that's really a question for the CFU. As it is now, qualification for Gold Cup will come from the League of Nations.
The former Jamaica Football Federation General Secretary adds that having these matches on FIFA dates will only increase competitiveness of football in the region.
So we're going to be utilizing the FIFA dates for these matches. So all the current FIFA dates will be utilized for the competition, and then this is going to accord the different countries an opportunity to field their best players on a regular basis, bringing them together on a regular basis. And in speaking with a lot of the presidents across the region, especially across the Caribbean, they are very, very excited about this.
Team manager of Jamaica's Reggae Boys, Roy Simpson, concurs.
I think it's a good thing. I think if you notice, so we and some of our counterparts, we never usually have the resources to play a number of international friendlies. As a matter of fact, when you look at it, even from our standpoint, it's very expensive, and it is good that through the CONCACAF they have brought in the League of Nations, and we hope, and the fact that it's being played on friendly official match dates, it's a plus for us.
CONCACAF will decide in February which tier each team will play. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I am Simon Preston.